welcome our next speaker. And before that, it's time for us, since our topic is on Millennial Gold, the new opportunity, and to present this, please, a loud round of applause for both our millennials, Mr. Diyan Shakti Srinivasan and Miss Nishta Shri Srinivasan, the directors of Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited. And thank you very much for also being partners with us. Come on, maybe please welcome our dynamic stars here with us. They are our second generation entrepreneurs, and it gives us.
First of all, thank you so much for having us here and giving us the opportunity to share our thoughts on Millennial Gold. I think enough has been said about millennials in the conversations before, and I also understand it is lunchtime. I'm going to try to be as quick as possible and try to get to the point as quickly as I can. Before we start, I want to take this opportunity to thank all the innovators of the industry, beautiful panelists who came and shared so much insight to us. Thank all the stalwarts of the industries, the technicians, the karigars, because these people have taken the industry from one place to where we are today. And without these people, people like me and Nishta, we would never be here on the stage talking to you about different things, right? So, COVID has been a curse and a blessing of sort. I would like to elaborate on that point. It has been very difficult. Business has been up and down. Emotionally, it's been very difficult for a lot of people. Increasingly, if you look online, people are seeking mental health help, and so on and so forth. But it has also taught us a lot of essential learnings, especially regarding customer behavior, priorities in life, and most importantly, when the going got tough, I believe most of the people went back and stuck together with the family, with friends, and this collaborative effort or this staying together is what I think has helped us navigate COVID and reach where we are today. And I think if we continue to work together and continue to be there for each other, I think whatever may come, I think we will definitely have the courage and strength to face it, right? So, looking at this, there have been a lot of behavioral changes, especially amongst millennials, and I think we should also be looking at one step forward, Gen Zs, because today, the first millennial is close to 41 years old, and first Gen Z is about 21 years old, right? And the way a millennial looks into how business should be done, the way a Gen Z looks into how a purchase should be done is completely different. And though we spoke a lot of millennials, I think it's important to also go 5 years, 10 years down the line in terms of how customers are going to behave and create the right platform today so that we can invest in the right business models and right ideas so that we have a long-term sustainable advantage. So, in terms of behavioral changes, especially after COVID, customer experience has been very important. Once upon a time, we millennials used to always say, you only live once. This was a standard dialogue. But today, even people of my father's age are happily saying it, beta, you only live once, do what you want to do, right? So this one line has a deeper impact because COVID has given us a lot of perspective on life, and people have started to prioritize on themselves. So any businesses that's built around great customer experience is going to do fantastically well. And Forbes says that close to businesses that focus on superior customer experiences have a revenue of close to 5 to 7 times more than the regular guys. The second biggest thing is that with COVID, convenience has become a most important thing, and I think a lot of people, speakers before me have spoken about omni-channel. I think omni-channel is something that a Gen Z is definitely going to expect, a millennial is definitely going to expect, because convenience is going to be the key in terms of businesses going forward. And with internet penetration coming in, with Reliance Jio making internet accessible across the world, across the country. Omni-channel, especially e-commerce, is going to take off very well, and we have to be very aware of this trend, because the purchase behavior in e-commerce is completely different from purchase behaviors offline. Because everybody knows that the price point at which e-commerce people sell is not the same price point at which people offline sell. And e-commerce jewelry, it's actually more expensive for a customer to buy online than offline, right? So with that, but most of the e-commerce brands are focusing on the accessibility of jewelry, and therefore omni-channel presence is going to be the future. With increased focus on the self coming into play, customization is going to be key. I think businesses should be built on customization. I think a gentleman before spoke about how focusing on customization, how focusing on the jewelry that a millennial wants has helped improve the inventory stock rotation. Because more people are coming to us today and telling that we don't want the best product in the store, we want a product that is designed for ourselves. So we need to figure out ways by which we in the business fraternity can facilitate such behavioral changes. So this brings to a few facts that I wanted to share. Did you know that 37% of Indian women have not bought gold jewelry till now? So which is a huge number. 1/3 of Indian women have not bought gold jewelry. So I think it's important for all of us to dive deeper into why this has not happened and figure out potential solutions to cater to this market. Because everybody talks about trying to beat the competitor. Nobody talks about, or not enough is not being spoken about, bringing new customers into the jewelry space. We talk about the blue ocean strategy and so on and so forth. So the idea is that how can we create the non-buyers of gold to come to our stores and buy jewelry, and how can we be relevant to them? Fact number 2, 32% of millennial women and Gen Z feel that gold jewelry does not cater to their prestige and self-expression needs. With millennials and Gen Zs coming into play, I think the beauty and the aesthetics of gold is much more important than the investment value of the gold. So if we are not going to cater to their design language or the style with which they would want to buy, they would easily go into fashion jewelry, or they could even use Apple Watch as a beautiful accessory on themselves, right? So for them, self-expression and prestige is more important than any investment. So if we as an industry don't be relevant to this segment, this number is only going to go higher. Because even in my own family, even my sister sometimes, she's like, I want to buy jewelry, but unfortunately the designs that are there does not resonate with what I truly feel, right? So we as a fraternity, we have to definitely do more about it, and especially Emerald as a manufacturer, we have decided that we need to take this equation to the next level. So fundamentally, we have different personality changes, especially amongst the millennial and Gen Z customers. And it's important that we think on these lines and solve a long-term problem with a long-term solution, and not with a series of short-term solutions. And thereby, what we have decided as a company is that we need to start looking at these questions. And not only that, work with people, collaborate with people, so that the best of us and best of everybody else can come together, and hopefully something beautiful can happen. So this is the birth of one of our initiatives called as Stay Ahead.
So, Stay Ahead is not just an initiative, it's a promise etched in stone for the growth of the jewelry industry and to fully satisfy the customers and bring about true smiles on their faces. I think, ideally speaking, Stay Ahead is not just a campaign of Emerald. At this point in time, we should be looking at Stay Ahead being in the DNA, blood, and cell of every individual, every retailer sitting here. Honestly, these facts alarmed us. It shook us because we always look about incremental opportunities in jewelry industry. But when we say 37% of women have not bought, that's quite huge and gives us a huge opportunity to play in terms of what we can do. We've always been believers of fact that a void creates an opportunity. And as you've rightly seen, there have been so many voids that are still unfulfilled in the jewelry industry. And with void comes opportunity. COVID has been a great realization for us. It gave us lots of time to introspect and to really think about what matters and what we should be doing as an industry. Because of this, we created the Stay Ahead campaign, and we also created a host of initiatives around it. In the former part of the presentation, we were introduced to a lot of pain points that the jewelry industry is facing right now. And in the presentation going forward, we're going to be looking at how we at Emerald are creating few initiatives to significantly cater to the problems that millennials, customers, and Gen Z face today. So, it's been said that jewelry is regarded as traditional. And it got us thinking as to what we can do to solve this problem. And this is what we did. So at Emerald, we constantly say that we're not a jewelry factory. We're more like a technological factory. And this is because we have 20 plus state-of-the-art, world's best technology. But so what, right? I mean, these are great numbers, these are great things to put there on the slide. But how does it matter? Millennials and Gen Z, as you all know, want newness in everyday life. The patience, the exploration, they always look out for something new. With 20 plus state-of-the-art technology, I'm pretty sure that we can create something new. And we constantly keep saying, you dream it, we make it. So whatever a customer wants, we say that with 100% assurity that we can make it. The sky is the limit for designing. The second aspect is patented mechanism. Even the smallest of experiences are becoming so crucial. Smallest, when I say smallest, the way you wear a earring. If you've observed women wearing earrings, there's always a struggle. If you've observed women wearing the necklace, there's always a struggle. So even these simplest things matters for a millennial because every experience matters and every experience counts. And with patented mechanisms, we bring about findings that are completely revolutionized and they create an experience which is absolutely seamless. We've also integrated AI and robotics into our manufacturing. And that's pretty awesome because AI and robotics might sound like a cool word to say, but honestly, precision at what it results in. And when there's precision in today's millennials more than ever, they have access to quality. And if we do not have if we do not give them the quality that they want, we're definitely going to lose out on them. And the most important thing, Emerald has called this year the year of innovation. And we have a dedicated innovation cell which constantly focuses on creating about hundreds of designs every month, only innovative designs, which you're going to be seeing in the slide later on. For those who feel jewelry does not cater to their self-expressive and prestige needs, this is all the millennials in the country who say that they do not want to buy jewelry because it does not resonate with them and it does not make them feel anything. And we at Emerald have done this to cater to that exact same need. Every month, we launch 25 new themes and tales inspired from the latest trends in the market. We have a team solely dedicated who try to understand the different trends that are folding in the market. And when you develop designs based on these trends, this design speaks languages to these millennials and definitely it puts them at a better place to liking the jewelry. Apart from that, we also engage with our customers to co-create with them. What's more important is that we have some knowledge about jewelry as manufacturers, but you guys sitting here know all about your customers. And when we co-create with you, we can exactly create something that your customers like. And Fact being said, we create about 36,000 designs every year and about 3,000 designs every month. You might ask why so many designs have to be created. Today's times, we all know everybody wants to be unique and everybody wants something new every single day. To cater to such a huge volume of unique designs that's required, we create about 36,000 designs every year. And earlier it was discussed that customer experience is becoming more important than ever. And for customer experience to be taken care of, it is very important that all of you here have enough time to focus on customer experience. And for you to focus on customer experience, we should be at a place wherein we are providing a very seamless experience for all of you guys here. For the same reason, we at Emerald have so many collections, all your varieties, about 25 collections with us here. So we can be your one-stop shop solution for all your requirements. And apart from that, we've also created an AI-enabled app which acts as a B2B buying interface and makes the process of buying absolutely simple and easy. And finally, the most important thing, sustainability has become more important than ever. Today's customers are not just buying products because there is a product right there. They are buying the product also based on how it is made and where it is made. True to that, Emerald is 100% compliant with all the laws of the land. Also, you see that we believe in providing an amazing work environment for our karigars. We have 6 lakh square feet of manufacturing facility, all modernized, all state-of-the-art, and we have ISO certifications. And why this is important is because going forward, everybody has money, everybody is capable of buying everything today. But what makes the difference is the true quality, is the true product that you're giving backed by these things. So we have always believed in it, and we ensure that when these products are bought by our customers, they will feel that good vibes along with the product and not just enjoy the aesthetics of the product. Like my brother has always been saying, there are many problems in the industry, but we as Emerald honestly are not in a place and will never be able to solve all the problems alone. For this very reason, and to address the problems of accessibility of jewelry in the industry, we create a new business model wherein we put the strengths of the retailers and we ourselves have a strength of manufacturing. We've put this together to create a shop-in-shop business model. And there are 2 business models that we've created in this. One is Zilara, a silver shop-in-shop business model wherein it's a collaboration with the retailers of the country, and Jewel One Select, which is a gold shop-in-shop business model, which is a collaboration with gold retailers in the country. We believe that everybody has strengths, and when these strengths come together, we're only going to create aspects which is irreplicable and which is very much required for the industry today. And the most important thing, for millennials who moved away from gold, who've been going to the iPads and the iPhones of the world and have been ignoring gold jewelry, we created a beautiful marvel. And this marvel we call as Millennial Gold. So you might ask what Millennial Gold is all about and what differentiates Millennial Gold from the rest of the products. So Millennial Gold is not just a new collection, but it's a new philosophy in design and it's a new way of making products. In Millennial Gold, every design is inspired by the story of a woman. It's inspired from her inner voice. The piece right here is inspired from the aspect of a woman being very flexible, and the entire piece is flexible. It differentiates Millennial Gold from the rest of the products. So Millennial Gold is not just a new collection, but it's a new philosophy in design and it's a new way of making products. In Millennial Gold, every design is inspired by the story of a woman. It's inspired from her inner voice. The piece right here is inspired from the aspect of a woman being very flexible, and the entire piece is flexible. It's also very lightweight and very minimalistic. Today's women need jewelry that flows with them for every occasions. She plays multiple roles in her life, and it has to flow well and easy with her. For this reason, we've created products that are lightweight, they're dainty, and they're easy to wear and feels like breeze on her skin. Most importantly, all millennials or Gen Z or customers in general love surprises. So we wanted to create an element of surprise in our products. We have embedded movements that we see in our everyday lives into our products. Yes, the product rotates. Most importantly, as you all know by now, we are lovers of technology. We've integrated more than 20 different technologies in creating this product. And as you see it, Millennial Gold is designed with a difference. It's thought from a very different perspective. It's a true tribute to millennials, keeping her needs in our minds. So I think in the last 5 to 10 minutes, we've seen about a host of things that we've done in order to craft our journey and orient ourselves with millennials. And honestly, this is a very humble beginning, and we believe that as an industry, if we collaborate, we can do such strategic initiatives together to constantly focus on these millennials, because now we cannot ignore them anymore. These are 70% of Indian women, and going forward, we are constantly going to address them, and the business is going to come from them. So honestly, we wanted to also invite, and together as a jewelry fraternity, we should be working, collaborating together to creating a journey for millennials and to outreach them together. And we've placed a small golden ticket in all your tables, and that's an invitation from our side to craft the journey towards millennial orientation together. And most importantly, the key to tomorrow is to stay ahead today. And we believe that when we all together work, we can create a very promising industry for the generations to come. We both thank you so much for the great opportunity that has been provided to us, and honestly look forward to a great future. Thank you.
Remember,
I just want to add, Dhyan and Nishtha presenting for the first time the second generation of Emerald. Please, let's give them a big round of applause once more. And as we all know, World Gold Council, they have launched the You Are Gold campaign for millennials this year. Aarti Saxena will be presenting the campaign in another couple of hours' time here. But that campaign is changing the way gold is being marketed to millennials. And I've been told that already it's across television. They already launched 2 films. But as IPL comes in, T20 World Cup comes in, you will see a lot of it more. And it will be all over the place during the main season. And Nishtha and Dhyan have created the beautiful collection, that Millennial Gold, which matches up to the campaign which World Gold Council is doing. They're the first company who has really innovated and done a fabulous job. And as she said, and as he said, collaboration is the key. Let's all have our in-house brand for millennials. Let's have collections for millennials, because that is the way forward. 41 crore millennials in India, the largest millennial population in the world is in India. And we need to catch them now. And this is the pandemic has given us a good opportunity. It's all of us together with them is to capture the market and ensure that all your showrooms are partnering with them, and they have a beautiful booth outside. More than 300 or 400 designs on Millennial Gold collection, and the invitation is there to partner with them on design. Okay, great. And thank you very much, both of you, to put together such a fabulous presentation. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. And Mr. Samit, please be here with us to absolutely felicitate both of them with a lovely moment towards the center. I can hold the mics for you all. And what a brilliant oratorship, along with being entrepreneurs, the second generation of Emerald Jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, may we please hear it for Mr. Dhyan Shakti Srinivasan, as well as the lovely sister Nishtha Srinivasan. Congratulations.